Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make PROCREATE brushes. The year is almost over, and as a thank you for an awesome 2022 for the channel, I'll be teaching you our very first set of brushes with the Pastel Chalk brush set. It's a set of 5 brushes that emulates a pastel chalk effect in various states of use, from soft and layered, to rough and dry, to blended and subtle, all using built-in PROCREATE shapes and textures to achieve consistent results. So, let's get started and make this brush set. Let's start with an open canvas. We're creating a brush set, so let's drag the brush panel down and tap on the plus sign to create a new library. Let's name this Pastel Chalk. Tap on the plus sign here to make our first brush. Let's go down to About This Brush and name this Pastel Chalk Fill. In Stroke Path, under Stroke Properties, set spacing to 5% and jitter to 10%. In Shape, go into the Shape Source library and choose Blotch. Tap Done twice to save selection. Under Shape Behavior, set Rotation to follow Stroke. Turn on Randomized, Flip X, and Flip Y. In Grain, go into the Grain Source library and choose Paper Mush. Under Grain Behavior, set it to Texturized. Set Scale to 35%, Depth to 70%, and Brightness to Max. In Dynamics, set Jitter Size to 50%. In Apple Pencil, set Pressure Opacity to None, and Tilt Angle to 0 degrees. Finally, in Properties, set Brush Behavior Maximum Size to 200%. Now we have a pastel chalk brush that you can use to fill large areas quickly and efficiently. Now let's create the second brush in our set that gives you more variation in your stroke. Duplicate this brush, go into the brush settings, and in About This Brush, let's rename this to Pastel Chalk Variable. The only changes we need to make are in Apple Pencil, where we set Pressure Flow to Max, and Bleed to Max as well. This brush lets you draw a solid chalk stroke when pressing hard, while pressing lightly gives a more diffused, transparent stroke. Now let's make our third brush by duplicating this one, going into the brush settings, and renaming this Pastel Chalk Blender. Let's make some changes in Wet Mix and set Dilution to 70%, Charge to 80%, Attack to Max, Pull to 70%, and Grade to Smooth. Now you have a brush that blends your chalk strokes when pressing lightly to create color gradations and buff out sharp edges. If you want this brush to be for blending, like without color, duplicate it, go into the settings, rename it Pastel Chalk Smudger. Go into Wet Mix, set Charge to Disabled, and Attack to None. Now this fourth brush allows you to blend edges and colors while pressing lightly without applying any additional color. And now for our final brush, Let's duplicate this brush once more, go into Brush Settings, and rename it Pastel Chalk Shader. In Grain, we'll tweak the settings to allow you to build up your shading. Set grain behavior to moving, scale to 25%, rotation to follow stroke, depth to max, and brightness to -55%. In Wet Mix, set dilution to none, charge to 50%, pull to 75%, and grade to 0. In Dynamics, set jitter size to none. Finally, in Apple Pencil, set flow and bleed both to none. Now we have a highly textured, almost grunge chalk effect that's great for shading and background work. And there you go, a complete brush set to give you a variety of brushes to help you create your chalk art. It's my way of saying a huge thank you to each and every single one of you who have helped this channel reach the success it has through your views, your comments, likes, and subscriptions. I'll see you again in the new year for more brush tutorials, so hopefully you're notified for when that happens. Until then, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye!